Hi, I am Max Supergiovane. Today I'm going to show you the version 2.1.32 of KNX-Ultimate. The news is that now we have a brand new Hue battery node. Let's see. First of all, install the KNX-Ultimate palette. KNX-Ultimate 2.1.32. Then search here on the left for KNX and drag the Hue battery sensor into your flow. Double click on it. We have, as usual, KNX gateway and Hue bridge. I already show you how to connect to Hue bridge. Just set the IP and click connect, and you are done. Enter the Hue sensor. In this case, we have a motion sensor. There is in the kitchen that have also the battery. This motion sensor is the level, group address, and this is a percentage data point from 0 to 100%. And that's all. 100% of our battery. We're